Today, I'll show you how to scrape multiple HR job listings from workforceaustralia.gov.au using Minexa.ai, no coding needed. Navigate to the workforceaustralia.gov.au page where your job listings are shown as a list. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension by clicking its icon at the top of your browser to get started. With the extension open, click the violet button saying, "I'm on the right page," so Minexa.ai can scan the job listings automatically. The analysis is complete. Minexa.ai has mapped out all the job listings and their structure on this page. You can choose to extract just the list of job results, or also scrape the details on each job's page. Next, you can continue with the simple extraction, or use advanced mode to add clicks, scrolls, or inputs before your list loads. That highlighted container is your dataset. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa.ai learns it once, then extracts the same data from similar pages automatically. Minexa.ai has detected every field for these HR job listings, like job title, location, employer, and closing date. Pick what matters, and the scraper handles the rest. If you are a developer, click API Request to copy ready-to-use code and batch up to 50,000 URLs in one request. Validate your settings and click Complete Configuration to save your scraper and move on. Minexa.ai detects the Next Page button automatically. If no pagination applies, just continue to extract all data at once. Almost done. Validate your job, optionally schedule it, or push the results first to Google Sheets for easy access. Click Run to start collecting job listings across all pages right now. Unlike AI tools that guess data locations and may err, Minexa.ai extracts every job listing detail exactly from its known spot. You get accurate job titles, locations, employers, closing dates, and more every time, with no guesswork or invented data. Hit Export to download your clean data, 1 row per job, 1 column per field, ready to use immediately. Extract data from any website, no technical skills needed. For developers, one scraper replaces complex stacks with minimal maintenance. Visit Minexa.ai to get started today.